In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fast studio lighting scene. Press Shift and back quote and hold Shift while moving forward using the mouse for direction and the keyboards W for thrust. We can use WASD key to move, mouse to look, and E and Q to go up and down. Once you switch the render engine to cycles, you'll notice the scene will become dark. That's because HDRI nor any lights from outside can penetrate through the cube. We can completely disable the HDRI or any other background colors. Create a point light. That's it. That's how we create the fast studio lighting scene. Let's add a cylinder and duplicate it. Add a glass shader and copy the material to the rest of the cylinders. We need to do the rest of the usual render setup with Filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. This is optional. The scene was arranged much faster than the usual studio lighting setup. I'll show you some of the variations I created before recording this tutorial. This was the first scene I created. I used a light yellowish-green color to lighten up the scene a bit. That gives a bit of more realism to the final render. This was what I've done to the cylinders by extruding and scaling the cylinder meshes. That looks better. This was the final render I created. What I've done was removing the top and the side walls to allow the HDRI light to shine the scene. I have used a cloned Look Dev HDRI image and set that to 0.3. I have added two planes equipped with emission shaders and placed them on the top and the right. The wineglass was created by extruding a curve point and applying a screw modifier. The same glass shader was used. As you can see, adding the HDRI image to the scene has greatly improved the overall look of the final render. I'll continue the lecture on glass rendering, because I'm still experimenting with global illumination and caustics. This wineglass render might look good, because it looked better than the cylinders. However, the wineglass render is far from being good. Once I perfect the method of rendering the glass objects as best as we could, I'll share that method with you via tutorials in the future. This is the end of the fast studio lighting scene tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.